Welcome to the Math Worker. Today I'll be covering the ICTM State 2018 Division AA Freshman Sophomore 8 person, which I'll be answering questions 9 and 13 in this video, and then questions 15 and 17 in the next video. As usual, I'll scroll down all 20 questions, and I'll provide the answers at the end. Okay, so that's all 20. Now let's begin with number 9. Zeta has invited 4 friends, Abby, Beth, Chloe, and Dora, for lunch. All 4 offered to clean up after lunch, but Zena planned a game to pick one person. Each of the 5 women has a bag with 4 M&Ms, red, green, yellow, and purple. Zena draws a red M&M and shows it to others. She announces that the winner of the cleanup job would be the first to pick up a color from our bag that matches a color already showing, with the friends drawing in the order Abby, Beth, Chloe, and Dora. A over 32 be the probability that Abby wins, B over 32 the probability that Beth wins, C over 32 probability that Chloe wins, and D over 32 that Dora wins. And then find A minus B plus C minus D. Okay, so basically they're choosing in alphabetical order, so Abby, Beth, Chloe, and Dora. So the probability that Abby wins if she's first, she needs to choose a red out out of the 4 colors, so that's just 1/4. So for Beth to win, Abby has to miss the red color, so that's 3/4. And then now Beth has to win. So for Beth to win now, she has to choose the red marble, the red M&M, or whatever Abby chose, which is gonna be 2/4. So for Chloe to win, Abby has to miss, so that's 3/4. Beth has to miss, so that's 1 minus 2/4, which is also 2/4. And then Chloe has to choose an M&M that is already chosen. So like red, and then whatever Abby chose and whatever Beth chose. So that's 3/4. And then Dora wins if everyone else misses, because there's already 4 colors chosen. So that would be 3/4 times 2/4, and then 1 minus 3/4 is 1/4. So this will be 1/4. This will be 6 out of 16. This would be 18 out of 64. And this would be 6 out of 64. So to make denominator 32, that's 8 out of 32. This is 12 out of 32. This is 9 out of 32. And this is 3 out of 32. So that's 8 minus 12 plus 9 minus 3, 4, and -4, 6. Add them together. That is 2. And that's your answer for number 9. So just split them all up into parts. Okay, now number 13. Altitudes BQ and CP are drawn to sides AC and AB respectively in triangle ABC as shown. BQ is 7, CP is 8, and BC is 9. The length of PQ can be expressed in this form, and then add the coefficients. Okay, so let's draw that picture. So it's not the exact picture, I just need a general picture of how this looks. So we have a right triangle, we have another right triangle, and then we connect these 2 points. And that said that CP is 8, so this is length 8. BQ is 7, so it's 7. And BC is 9. And these are right angles. So I kind of noticed at the beginning that we have 2 right triangles. So let's just focus on this right triangle first. So that means it gives us that 7 squared plus whatever this length squared is equal to 81, because 9 squared is 81. So 81 minus 49, that is equal to 32, so this length is square root 32. Okay, so what's this length? Well, that will be 9 squared minus 81 squared, 8 squared, so that is 81 minus 64, so that's 17. So that's square root 17, okay? So what do we do now? Well, you might not notice this the first time if you've taken this contest directly, but basically, if they make these 2 lines, what they kind of do is that this point is called orthocenter, and then when you make a triangle like this, they actually make something that's really cool, and it's a circle. You kind of connect these 4 points. So something like this. It's kind of really bad drawing, but it's just because of a bad drawing, but it's going to be a circle. And how do I know? Because this line is going to be a diameter. And if you kind of think about it, we have a triangle here, which is inscribed in the circle. with diameter 9, and we have this triangle, which is inscribed in the same circle with diameter 9. Since both of them are made by the same circle with the same diameter, then it's basically going to be inscribed by the same circle, which makes sense logically. So what we do now, since we know that, is that with this circle, okay, let's draw that again. So, basically, a quadrilateral that is inscribed in a circle, so this kind of quadrilateral inscribed in a circle, has a really cool property that the product of its diagonals is equal to the sum of the product of the opposite sides, which is called Ptolemy's theorem. But I might have described it a little weirdly. So basically what it is that this side multiplied by this side is equal to this side multiplied by this side added by this side multiplied by this side. So basically what is happening, let's label this x, which is what we're looking for. We have 7 times 8, which is 56, is equal to square root 17 times square root 32, plus x times 9, which we just write as 9x. So this is a simple formula. So 56 minus square root 17 times square root 32 over 9 is equal to your x. And that's what we're looking for. We're looking for this length, which is just x. So simplify this. So 56 minus, this is going to be 4 square root 2. So this is 4. 2 times 17 is 34 over 9. Add them up together. So 56 minus 4 plus 34 plus 9. So this is 30, 39, 39 plus 56 is 95. And that is your answer for number 13. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next math record. And as promised, I'll give all the answers.